So today I'm making some changes to my F-14 pinball that I just got. I'm putting in LED lights and put in some backlight or backbox LED lights, and it's beautiful. It really just makes the game pop, especially having different colors in the different areas like the explosions. I wish I had a picture. Maybe I do have a picture of it before because it just looks amazing. So I have white lights for the cool white lights for the plane, and the little Midway or the Williams logo up here, and the lightning. You got red ones, although I have two white ones under Tomcat. I gotta get two more red ones. I had two bad ones, and I got some orange ones for the planes there, and the back of the plane. And then we got some two color changers here in these shot down planes that are going in. And it looks beautiful. And I was trying to decide whether I should switch out the ones on the playfield too. And I think I'm going to do that. Let's look at the whites over here, and that's supposed to be blue. Let's change it out, the color with a blue LED, and see how it looks. Look at that, nice and blue. And that's really beautiful. So I gotta get some more for the reds because I'm out of reds. And I think I am going to. I changed this one out, and that's just so much prettier than the other ones. So I'm gonna switch some of these guys out. But so far, very happy with that, especially the backup box. It just looks beautiful. You can notice the difference between the LED here and the orangish non-LED. I just really like that nice cool white. I think I'm going to change these guys out too. Let's see how they look before and after. I'll change that white one out. I'll get some oranges. I don't have any right now. So let's see how that looks before and after. Now I just changed one out, and you can see the difference. You can tell this was the one I changed out. And I just think that looks so much cleaner. I mean, there is something to be said about the orange glow of the incandescents, but I don't know. I just think that's so beautiful. So here's the after picture after we added the white LEDs. So much nicer. So now we're going to also replace these guys here with blue ones. I think that's going to look really good because right now it looks kind of sloppy. Oh wow, look how that looks. That makes actually the inserts usually look crappy. I thought I was going to have to replace them. That makes the inserts look brand new. They're so bright and white, or blue I mean. That's really nice. So here we have our F-14 Tomcat with LED lights in the back box. I changed out the red ones where the F-14 Tomcat logo is and made white ones with those. I like that a lot better. Now let's go ahead and look at the playfield. So we have LEDs for everything except for the red. I actually found the regular lights looked better for red, believe it or not. They were just a little bit brighter, but look how nice those blue lights are. They're really beautiful. And the white lights. And the orange actually didn't make much of a difference either. But the blues and the whites look beautiful. Let's just real quick turn the lights off and see how it looks.